no copyright yabo. No copyright infringement intended. Lingayiboni ke bazonikhatha mna. Ingxaki last time banenza loo nto. Lie to myself. Yeah. Yo, I just won't give nagi because then I comment section. Ungasindibhala naphaba. Okay, singayikhali singoma icebo because senazo ingxaki izovela isikhuphe lento izothatha nge-infringement bathi nasikhala singoma zabantu. Yeah. So masingazikhali singoma sivele sibhale phaba Q&A. Guys, hi guys. Mampusani Lona, this is Busi, my cousin. We are going to Nan. Guys. Yazintoni masimcime ngalo mculo mntazi. Ish. Dithina. Okay mhlambi. Simcime ne sifake Q&A. Cuz uzosikhupha sana infringement tonto nayisebenzi. I can't let it night. I want on my mind. I wonder sababona njani? Sizobona njani? So sifuna ehlobo nami lost ngoku. Usifuna njani comments? Yeah, say right ehlobo. So sibona kahle comments.
Thank you.
Q&A. That is what's happening. Question and answer.
At least it's visible namhlanje. Usually I hide my face.
You don't hide your face. You always post yourself every day on your Instagram.
Yeah, on your platform.
Why?
Yeah, guys, now I have a small heart, you know. It's very small.
So guys, if you wanna ask anything, ask on the question on the question mark, because we won't see the comments. They're running fast. Because someone is already asking if you're single.
Ubani ubuzi. Next.
But yeah, guys, hi everybody.
Yeah.
I just wanna say hi to everybody. I know that I've been MIA. And stuff, you know, still figuring out a lot of things, and like really trying to settle. And yeah, but I just want to connect with you tonight and just like speak, talk, you know, ask us questions. Busi's here. Busi's actually very funny, guys. Ask Busi questions and she's honest.
Putting me in the
ask
spot.
her questions. Also ask me questions, you know. Like let's engage. Let's have fun tonight. Understand, Anne? Yeah. We might even accept request. Face to face.
Ready. This time around, guys, I'm ready for y'all.
We're eating ice cream. It's a Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday. Imagine.
Yeah.
It's a Wednesday today. And we're just eating ice cream and waiting for our order. We were watching something. Oh, I went to Macro to go buy groceries. I want to do a haul and a video.
And I want to say this thing. What Sissy can buy. I just want to make an example. Imagine.
What did I do?
I just want to show them.
But no. I'm not guys Nathan Crossal Shame. No, don't sleep.
Guys, Uliema. Guys.
I mean, I eat.
I give up.
I eat, and also like I always have visitors. Not always actually. This girl can eat. You can eat. You finish my food. She finishes my food.
Guys,
this one.
How can I be slim and eat?
Mm-hmm. Guys, I mean, I eat to shame, and I will buy groceries. As much as a lot of people think I can't cook, I actually can. But I'm not gonna cook today. I'm gonna order. So yeah, guys. Grace Montana and so content. Crosaliam. Yeah, guys, I eat you. And then ngizagqiba konke kakutya engizophela within.
Okay, within the mocha.
Yeah, now kusalayo you also eat.
If we were to do e-food content, I will.
Yeah. I eat.
Yeah.
Oh well. Anyways, guys, yeah. Q&A, you can ask us anything and stuff.
Yeah, ask us anything without like the boyfriends and
Wait, there's still Big Brother questions. Imagine. Imagine. Oh no, it's not Big Brother questions. They're asking, do you watch BBN, meaning Nigeria, not M? Yes, I do. I actually don't, but I think I do like the twins and their drama. I haven't watched anything now. I watched when I was home. So, do you know the new Big Brother?
Unfortunately, that's why I'm not even commenting.
Yeah, I don't know anything. Hey, I know that I always see the twins on my timeline. I always see the twins on my timeline, so I don't know. I think I like them because of their drama. And when am I linking up with Zilly? Am I Zilly? Zilly who is?
And people are pairing you guys, eh?
Imaqamumplo.
Is it the Zilly that I know from the podcast?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, they were pairing you guys at
How?
some point. Couple.
How? But Zilly has a girlfriend.
Yeah, guys, you heard that.
Zilly has a girlfriend. He must come here and tell me otherwise. And look me in the eyes. But he does have a girlfriend. And you guys know, Mina, I don't involve myself with people that have partners anymore. Power to me. Anyways, if he's single, we're gonna go on a date. If he's not, then I'm getting down. Guys, I have a lot of content. We're starving by that. Feed us content. I have content in my phone. There's controversial content. There's content with some people that they would love to see.
But you haven't showed them. But they're hungry, eager
to
see.
Sana, ingxaki. Timing, baby. Mna ndimuntu timing sana. Andizovele ndithi bah.
So guys,
andiyenzi loo nto.
Must be patient and sound because now I haven't seen anything.
Yeah, must go live TikTok. Anyways, let's look at the questions. Why did you unfollow McJunior? That's the first question in here. Yo, Jesus.
Why again? That's I want to know. I want to know.
But
my wife.
Oh man.
I just love his laugh is the best.
Oh man.
I just love it. But why?
Okay. Zan, sell it out. Like I'm not about to sell for real. Hey, wait, two guys. Like zange ndim unfollowish mntase. Like zange man followish. But no moment ngayo like kwi-platform ezinjena and stuff.
Yeah.
But ke zange ndim unfollowish. Mna ndavuka ndi unfollowish. Di unfollow. Yeah, ibosigqibile and then ngoku lo mntu unfollowishileyo. Anoba nguye okanye ngubani. Lo mntu one unfollow wazenza one ikhona la option man xa unfollowsha umuntu kwa Instagram and then you make them unfollow you as well. So that's the situation. But I don't know what happened.
So guys, that's what happened. Okay?
Yeah, I really don't know what happened. I don't know the explanation. I don't know nothing. So oh, they want me to speak English. Hello, English. Someone's saying that. I'm saying woo. John. I read out loud. Come on, this screenshot. Yo, sana ndazo nasengxakini. Yeah. So I'm saying in English that I did not follow anybody, unfollow anybody. Someone, handler, her, him, I don't know, unfollowed me, right? And then they removed me as a follower. You understand? So that's the thing that happened. I don't know the explanation. I don't know what happened, but that's what I know. And then when I found out, I was like, but I didn't unfollow anybody. So I followed back. I was like, I didn't follow back because they were not following me. I followed. I was like, follow. I went to go follow. Yeah. Period. Because I won't be forced to unfollow anybody. How? Why enforcer? Enforcer Landoni. So enforcer. Okay. Next
question.
Okay. Are you still busy with the EP, Mdase? The EP is actually done. The EP is done, Betunana. The only problem is the dates. There's a lot of debates regarding this EP. I don't want to lie. And it's also stressing me out as a creative because I'm like, ugh. You understand? Like, I just want my art to be there, but there's still meetings, ongoing things because it's an EP and we need proper things and people. So it's preparation stage and stuff. But when everything is ready, I'll tell you guys, and it's gonna soon be ready. Trust me. Anyways, yeah. Hey. Wait. Copendry.
Which one is that? How are we related? Okay, her mom and my mom are sisters, so we cousins. That's how we are related.
Yes.
But my mom is the bigger
She's
sister, and then her mom is the younger sister.
We actually do look alike when you smile.
So yeah.
Yeah, so she's basically my cousin, but my sister.
Yeah. And basically, we grew up in our late grandma.
Yeah, our late grandma. We grew up in the same house. Yeah, so
yeah.
Anyways, Busi, tell them about yourself.
Yo.
Sorry, guys.
To tell them about me.
Yeah.
What do they want to know about me?
Oh yeah, what do you want to know about Busi, guys? Cousin is so hot. Yes. What do you want to know about Busi and stuff? Just ask questions, and then I'll also be answering the questions. Yo, Sana is question. Current situation, what's happening with you? I don't get it. Current situation, what's happening with me? What does that mean?
I don't know, maybe about your life.
But my life?
I don't know.
My life is so
I'm
beautiful.
assuming if the question is that.
Ne? My current situation is a breathing, living, flying, flowing.
Wink, wink.
Wink, wink, wink.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne? We move forward with it. I mean,
I'm not skip out because did you see it? Okay, wait. Hey, Pina. Oh, we're gonna lose it because then
what?
I saw.
Okay, let's not choose any question. Let's just let's just peek, and then if we don't want to answer it, we just move forward. Yeah. What's this one? When last did you talk to Zintlezi? Before she went to Dubai, I think. But still, I love the twins. I actually don't know who I love. Shame, Glapik Blood. Hi, Bo. Are you the mom that came to the BBM to see me?
I'm not the mom. No, but I look like your mom. I look like my aunt.
Fine, Magazi.
BBM. All and those are all.
Magamihle.
No, that's our other aunt, the middle sister. Can't be me. But we look alike at home, man, so I can understand.
Everyone looks alike,
I can understand.
Oh, shit. The Uber is saying this outside. I want to give him the password. Okay, guys, I'll pause a little. I just want to give the Uber Eats a password to give us food. I'll just be paused a little. We are back like Mqala. Liama, what's the age difference between Wena and Obusi?
2 years.
Ah, don't lie, it's 4.
2 years.
Ah, it's 2.
Hey.
Wait, so how old am I? Okay. Is this mine?
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
We're on mute. They're on mute. So they can't hear us. Okay, can we put it again?
No, but it's like something. That visala vie. I hate you, Liam.
And I'm sure we did it in
Toxic. Very toxic, that one.
Hi guys again.
Hi again. What were we saying? What were we talking about, Kanan? You imagine the questions that were there were so nice.
Can't they like put it again?
Yeah, guys. Oh shit! I need to write again Q&A so that we understand. Spend a little time. Yeah. So yeah, guys, ask me questions, ask us questions, anything you want to know about Boosie. You can ask Boosie directly and she'll be honest about the questions that you ask her, even if it's about me. If it's about her, you can ask her, you can ask me questions. But yeah, you know. Oh yeah, and what happened with the video call? The gate people were calling me. The security guard was calling me to open for the Uber Eats, so that's why it went on mute. So I apologize when it comes to those regards. But anyways, we're waiting for the questions on the question bar. Oh,
man. I can see. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Question.
Boosie, who is Liam dating? She's dating no one this one. She is very good.
Okay, continue.
She's very good at making you think. Yabo.
Hi, Bo.
No one. who do I know that is the official one? Banangu,
Hayi
yeah, the
bo,
guy.
don't do the lot. Abantu bazocinga bafansi bami that xa ndisithi bana hayi I don't want to date because I have a boyfriend. They
But
will
anyway,
see
we
now
shouldn't
that I was
even
lying.
we shouldn't even mention boyfriends. I feel like we should mention
Yeah, like
life
proper
partners
stuff.
or
Like,
whatever,
you
not-
know,
not
like
boyfriends.
husbands. Yo! Guys, mbalisele. I envy. I went to in East London, eh? I went to the women event, the girls event, right? And I was singing there. But then there was a girl, she was a speaker, and she's my age. Oh, see. 23 years old, and not 23 years. She's married. I was like, what the hell?
when you find the one, guys.
Like I was hurt.
Get in.
I wasn't hurt,
Well, when the right one.
but I was
comes.
like I was shocked because I didn't know people my age get married. I was like, what?
I get about my age, they even have 2 kids.
People my age get married. I want to get married. You understand?
It's possible.
And then on top of that, when I said that and I commended her when I went on stage and was like, I'm so, happy for you and stuff. Like, you making me realize that people our age, they're living different lives and different journeys. Because, we're still like in our single stage, finding ourselves, talking to people or whatever. And then there's people that already know who their partners are and they married. You understand? So I was just telling her that, like, you're just teaching me that, like, we're living different parts in life, but I want to get married. And the husband was so beautiful, and apparently he's rich. He has a car, and he's 26. Young couple. I was like,
Whatever problems they have, I'm sure it will never be financial.
Sana. I was like, what? And the
that's
thing is,
part of the
I went to that event last year to go sing again, right? That's why I was so loyal to them. Even this year, I was like, I need to go there because I always go there. That guy wasn't married last year, so they probably
Oh, they
Anyways,
both from there?
let me not talk about other people's news.
Are they both
Yeah.
from there?
Yeah, they're both from Emonti. They're such a beautiful couple. Oh, Benzoche. And then after I said that and was like shocked that people my age get married, I saw other people on my Instagram like getting married. My age, bruh. Yeah, she's even younger than me. She's 21. She's married. She's my age, 22. She's married. She's engaged. So, Mina, what am I doing wrong?
No, it's pressure, man. It's pressure.
It's not pressure. I actually want to get married. Like, I do
I
want
don't
to
have
get
to put
married.
pressure though.
Like, ngicela babe serious. But I will too. It's fine. Like, I'm not rushing anything. Especially with people that don't know what they want. Period.
Or people are gonna drag your life
Yeah.
or delay your life.
So yeah, guys. But yeah, I'm definitely getting married like this year. Brian confirmed that for me. He was like, remember? He was like, when I went to Iceland, I was like, remember, you're getting married month end. So I am getting married, guys. You guys will see who the husband is. You're gonna be shocked. Not really shocked. Will they be shocked? Do you know who my husband is?
I said I don't know. I don't know. So, let's go for the question.
The question is, this is 32, son.
Oh, it's still it's the same. Okay, let me go.
Yamba, she's
I'm
the
coming.
one who goes pagamle for food. This girl loves food. But anyways, I'm getting hot. Actually, no, it's cold. Can you imagine? Excuse me, sir, we ordered 2. Oh. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah? Someone wants to call me.
you see what happened?
My neighbor. Who's that?
This nigga was lost. Then it was
Someone wants to say hi to me, and I've never even met my neighbors. Let's start there. Okay, let's go. Actually, let's go. It's a live video. All right. Who's that?
Come say hi.
I'm good. How are you?
We're watching.
Oh, you're watching my live. Oh, right. Oh.
We don't want to mention it.
Shoot, you don't want to mention that on a live, brother.
Yeah, sharp.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So, where do you guys stay?
This block.
This one.
Yeah.
What number?
I stay down here. 86.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I will.
All right. Why is that one shy? Are you shy? Why are you shy? Oh, okay. Bye. It's just small boys. It's just small boys that have a crush on Lily. So cute, man. The other one sent me far. Anyways, I'm trying to clean this up. Yeah, but now why I need those people can go. Yo, Jesus. This is why, guys. Did you take your drink?
I'm just opening up here. I don't know if you want us to eat now or not.
It's a bit chilly. Okay. Yeah, I want to eat now, so I'm going to put my ice cream. And don't because Ben City ice cream because I was just waiting for the food because I'm hungry. But you can answer the question, Lima.
What is this word? Oh, can I sing? Lily, can I sing?
Yeah, she can sing. Every my cousin, all of my cousins can sing. Do you want to sing sing for them on live?
Oh no.
Are you
You're
sure?
like putting me on the spot.
Okay.
What am I gonna sing? What song?
Yeah, she can sing actually.
But yeah, what else?
Upu Anita. Odaga Miko San. I think I've already answered the question you guys asked me. Okay. Look. Can I tell you a story, guys? I want to tell you a story. Busi and I. No, look at the people. Look at what you deprived
Guys, I don't know what
of
you're
yourself.
talking about.
Me and Busi applied for Big Brother on the same time.
Yeah.
They took her. They took me as well. She delayed. Why did you delay?
Hi guys, but stay tuned for next.
This
year.
girl
it
is
next year?
dramatic.
Next
She's
year.
funny. Like, guys, I can't even. But anyways,
Yeah, next year.
what's up, Busi Nation? Anyways, yeah. She applied for Big Brother. They would we were both excited for the process and stuff. And then I don't know what she didn't do, but I was like,
I think there was something I needed to
yeah,
say, I delayed that.
She delayed, and I was like, every time I get an email, I'll literally jump and reply now, you know. But Busi,
Guys, life was lifing, yo.
Busi is definitely entertaining you.
Life was lifing, so ish.
But anyways, we're not there. Busi, we are ready next year. So naive, Busi Army. Do you know, guys? I kind of manifested. I kind of manifested the lilies, ne? Because I remember it was you who knew and my mom.
Yeah.
Nomakazi only.
Yeah.
So when
You said your fan base is gonna be the lilies.
yes,
Because she loves lilies.
I said my fan base is either gonna be the lilies or leaf flames. That's
Yeah.
literally what I said. And when I came out of the house, it was literally leaf flames and lilies. And I don't know if because I was saying it a lot in the house, or people just came with that name, or my mom said it. I don't know. but I was shocked because I was just like, you know, when I get there, I already know my fan base. Lilies, leaf flames, period, child.
And those two
And
literally
then-
define you. You have the soft side and the flamey side.
You understand, ne? Lilies, leaf flames. Jeez. Aye. And I didn't even know I was gonna get the name Queen of England. Yes, but looky. Look at me now. Legends. I didn't
the
know
gents.
that. I didn't know for the gents.
I don't know, legend. I don't know what it meant, but it
Ne?
was.
I think it means legend, as in like legend. I think, but I love all of the names that you guys gave me and stuff. They were so pretty.
Like her.
They were so pretty. Okay, I'm just doing this so that I can see my face. How?
No, guys, no, excuse me, just shame. I eat like she said.
She can eat this one. Okay. I did join the station head today. Guys. I was listening there. We reached 1.8. We reached our target for today, and like everyone was celebrating and it was nice, but I couldn't speak because I was out running errands, buying groceries and cleaning material, and I wasn't even alone, so yeah, I couldn't even speak, but I was commenting though, and I had my AirPods on. Sana. Hey, kabaqala mntasibawo siba cousin yethu ke sana. Abayazi? Amazi?
Chef Siba.
Yes.
The cute.
Yes.
Cousin,
Oh yes.
like,
Okay, actually she's Ndiyavakala okanye? Hayi shem. Babe ningavakali bekuzotshiwo ne?
but today once.
Am I
Like,
mute?
to some.
Let me ask. Am I mute?
Mute again. But yes. So you have to cancel and no, I stand.
Can you guys hear me? They can hear me. Yes, they can hear me. Yo, I thought I needed to start the video again. It's the security guard. He keeps on calling me. Yo. But anyways, Busman, wena sundenza ixoki phambi kwabantu. Cousin kaMama Lidi,
I don't know
chef.
that part. That's the problem. No, I only with me. Remember, I would come like on holidays as a kid, and then at a certain age, I went to varsity. Yabo. So I'm not always there. So I wouldn't know everyone. I only know the people that like you guys and aunts and uncles.
Yeah, and our family is quite big.
So I don't know like more extended family members because I only know when I get there, go. I travel.
So
Especially
I
in
wouldn't
Eastern
say
Cape.
she's related to us exactly, but she's related to my grandmother. Yeah. That's all I can say. Anyways, but yeah, I would definitely cook with Sisiba.
Oh, she cooks
Sorry.
nice food. Actually, I can see she cooks nice
That's a
food.
question, my boy.
For me now, we see didn't Liam stress you when she was in the house? You know, I was even cringing. I was like, boo, because I know they're gonna say boo, see umtako kwenu. I'm like, oh, Jesus. But at the same time, I was like, anyway, look at the boss side of her. She's not scared of anybody, even if she's tiny and young. Doesn't matter. So that's what I kept on
And
doing.
she lost friends because of me.
I had to fight long-term friends because of her. Can you guys hear us?
Hello?
Someone said sound.
Yes. Ana, levakala na. Levakala.
Yes, we can hear.
Sana. So, because the small boys distracted me outside, I didn't give Uber driver the pin to go outside.
I was distracted. He was peeking through
Uber driver. Even him, he didn't ask for the pin. Now the security guards are asking me, what's the pin? Did you give him the pin to go outside? And I'm giving them the pin. They're calling me again. They're saying it's the wrong pin. They might even call me again. But I hope I won't end this live. I just hope.
Next question. Because you answered this one.
You lost friends.
I lost long-term friends. I lost friends, guys. I lost friends defending her because
Now, your question.
What do you think of? I'm not gonna answer anything that has to do with the guys there.
And you were saying, Musi? How about my mail?
My next question.
Next question, now. Come. Hey. Okay, man. Let me answer this one. Z-Fest was so nice, guys. It was so big. The stage was...
Howdy, matey.
Howdy. The stage was big. And it was so... It was intimidating. Like I said, it was so intimidating. Oh, guys. Sana. But gay. And the other thing, they told us that the people was perform mini, they won't have dancers. So I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna be alone in such a big stage. But I did it. She was the one who would record the in coin. Cameraman.
Guys, go down. Okay.
She was recording and I told her to
It's
do
that
a live video.
Copy infringement thingy that I was like, So guys, yeah, tomorrow, and I'm sorry, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, my pen.
My pillow. My pillow.
Because having two phones, it was difficult.
What do you think of Casper preaching?
Casper? I think we left early.
Yeah, we left early because I was waking up.
Yeah, so I didn't see him, so I can't really comment on that.
I didn't see the video. I think Casper is... Okay, let me not say anything, yo. Actually, but I love what he's doing. Shame. Being proud of your Jesus. That's something
that's nice.
That is nice. That is nice. I can never hate on that. Can never. Anyways. Huh? Ask Musi, why was she dragging us on Friday?
Dragging? What do you mean?
Imaizi Fest was it on Friday? Yeah, it was. I think
so how was I dragging?
Maybe
if they're saying I was dragging them, it's probably the time I was doing that live. Certain people, man, the comments, guys, when you're under pressure and on top of that you have two phones and you literally are told, go this side. It's a lot for one person, and especially if you are not a professional cameraman or person, So some of the comments are not nice. Now, you know, I have to also hold my feelings, and it's not nice. So it wasn't me dragging
What happened?
you guys.
Did you say something?
I think I said something about your fans. Like they were just some of them they were just They were saying like things, man, that are just not that are not nice, and I'm very sensitive, guys. I'm sorry, I have a small heart, like I said. So it was yeah. But other than that, one thing about me though, I don't have any beef, I don't have anything. I'll get mad at that moment and then I'll be fine. So don't worry.
Not to excuse true. Excuse my
Oh, thank you. So yeah.
Okay, anyways. That's
No, I lost friends because certain friends of mine, they liked her at the beginning of the show, the whole thing. And then there was that situation that we all know that made my cousin have a meltdown and happiness and yonke lanto, yabo.
what situation now?
The Jareed one.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is when I started losing friends because they were like, "Hey, Bo, you know, like she should do this, she should do that," and I was like, "Yo, bro, that's my blood. She knows she'll take care of business, so don't worry. I know her." And then they were like irritated, but now why doesn't she, you know? And I was like, that's my blood. So
Careful what you say.
careful
That's
what
my
you say.
blood.
And then
Alright.
then I started losing friends like that.
Well, then.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that. I'm your friend, I guess.
Guys, we blood, but we also friends. So that's one thing I love about our
The thing is, me, Nane. I'm gonna say this in once and once only. Judge. Wow! Kodwa mazenza ke bona ke more than in private. Because nabe dienza it even mna ndiyajudgwa. Anyways, I'm not there. I'm not there. Those friends don't deserve you. Period. They don't deserve you.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a couple choose now, woman. You and go.
Why is this a home young girl? The handler for what?
Standing outside my house.
The handler for what?
Oh, I think for the show. No, Busi wasn't there.
I wasn't out.
Busi was busy.
Too busy, guys. You bore me sometimes.
Busy. Oh, I don't know what to choose, hey? Like, I don't know what to choose. Just choose randomly.
Yeah, just choose randomly.
I don't know what to choose. There's a lot. Okay. Yes. I love this because you see this one, ne? This specific one, yeah.
Okay.
Good. No. Kanfonela nozinhle bethuna nimxelele uba ndinixelele uba ndicela asote yalo lanto because wow sana kunini because it was me Zinhle and Taki and the other girl who won the machines. We never got anything. Nothing. And we're still waiting. But I do have a machine. But guys, I still want my machine. Anyways. Oh, ndiya eLesotho kanene. Ndiyanini? 17. I don't know what to choose. Okay, this one is nice. You can start. Now this one is in both of us.
I love language.
There's 5.
Wait for next calling. I'm calling now.
Hey, bo.
Calling now, man.
Go back.
Anything that has to do with love, man.
Okay, I'll start. My love language, right? There's 5 love languages. Ne? See 5. Okay, I'm just gonna like which one I appreciate more, the second one, the third one, whatever. To me, my first, like, I feel loved when I spend time with my person. So the first one for me is quality time. Like, there was no catcher. Like, if we spend time together all the time, like, I can really catch feelings. I mean, you guys know that, you know. So, so like, once we spend time together, like, I get to know you. I get to love you with your imperfections or whatever. I get to understand you. So that's me. Quality time first. The second one for me is touch. Physical touch. Yes, I'm a Scorpio queen. I'm passionate and stuff, so touch is also very important. Like, if you're not like touchy and stuff, it's fine. It's okay-ish. But like, yeah, just touch me, man. You know, you understand.
Guys, please. No, not. You? Please. I don't know what. Oh, can't even go back.
Diema, can I be a blesser? What are you telling me now?
What I'm doing now?
What I'm do now? Do I look like? Anyways, okay. Fine. Busiman, stop. Stop. Yeah, the second one is touch. The third one is acts of service. Yo guys, acts of service. Top 3 quality time, physical touch, and acts of service. But I feel like acts of service is probably the number 1. Because Nayan catches like oh my god, you're doing things for me. You know, so long as I know it's tea, I just say, I'd love tea, and you get up and you make tea. It's like, oh my god, look, you do everything for me. Acts of service, even though I haven't asked. And then I say, gift giving, London. I forgot the 5th one. Oh, no words of affirmations. Those are like low for me. I don't really care for words, and gift giving is not really what makes me feel loved by you. Those 3 though, sharp. What's the other question? And my pet peeves. I'll answer after Busi answers her love language. Tetam does it. Love, just like once. Once. You don't know who's listening.
Okay, so with me, I can't really say yes, because I'm a tough nut to crack, to be honest. Yeah, I think also acts of service.
The first one.
Yeah, serve me. Make me actually feel as if I'm the queen.
Exactly.
You don't have to, spend on me, but like your time. Make me feel as if I'm the priority. Yeah, but even if you have a lot of things to do, squeeze me in by calls, by whatever. That to
Make me feel like I'm the table.
Yeah, but. And then also, man, this time I don't have money, man. I've been going with, okay, baby, we'll try. Now.
You're good.
I'm good. And then also, yeah, physical touch. When someone starts by kissing me on the neck, oh, Jesus. And that is all. That's all I have. Just those 3.
Words of affirmation, nothing.
Also, I don't know how to put it. Words of affirmations, maybe, but it's not my love language.
Sure.
It's not my love language, but do have it. It's a bonus, but it's not my thing.
Same. I feel like I'm banging on cool. Like when you speak,
It's like you're saying it to another person.
No, because it actually has happened to me. It has happened to me so many times when someone tells me this, and they're telling the other person. No, actually, not so many times. Let me not lie. I've been treated really good in my relationships. But anyways, we're not there. It has happened.
Money will be the words of affirmation.
Exactly, Cho. Me.
From now on.
From now on, money is the words of affirmation. Like, don't worry, babe, I'm gonna buy you that or whatever. That's like, yeah. And also words without action, man. Just shut up.
Because it's not going anywhere. Go and okay. Hi, man.
Yo, Sana. Guys, make me feel like ndim itafile. Take you and take more. Put some things on top of my table. Don't ask me what do you offer on the table. I am the table, baby. Open your eyes, see carefully what you mean, what you're saying. Dim itafile. Wrong opinion.
Pet peeves, go.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Pet peeves. You don't want to start?
You start.
Hey, don't do pet peeves.
Nah, that's a tip. Guys, can you still do it?
English. No, siyinge. Sanusixelela guys. Siyazi pet peeves. Khawuguglisha. Guglisha khawuleza. Siyazi ne-pet peeves. Guglisha khawuleza. So my pet peeves are I've just got Hayibo uzothi mama ngakufuna sokuza asiyazi English.
Or something. Oh, okay.
Oh, siyazi.
Something that you find in a way.
I knew that, guys. I really knew that, but I didn't want to make Busi feel dumb.
Yeah, Dim. I'll take the hit. Yeah, it's me.
It's her. It's not me. Anyways. What?
Guys, can you hear us?
Can you hear us? Someone is saying we don't have a sound. I was nje sound thina inobusanofika umama yena kule live.
Ne?
Ewe. Ngizocela English yethu so usigadile. Anyways, guys, my pet peeves, first of all, it's long lines. Did they say, I think pet peeves can be actually general things as well, not what I don't like about someone. I know pet peeves, guys. So I don't like long lines. I try to avoid long lines. I don't like people chewing loud. It irritates me. I usually didn't like loud people, but then I went to the Big Brother house. I liked Yolanda, and I also found out that I'm kind of pretty loud as well, so... And she was also loud.
When I'm happy. When I'm too happy, I am.
Yeah, so loud people... Okay, loud people is not a thing anymore.
Yeah.
But chewing loud, long lines... I don't know what else.
Traffic. I think that's also one of the
I love traffic. I do.
When you're in a rush, you don't.
When I'm in a rush, of course I don't. But when I'm not in a rush, I just think about my life, you know? So, yeah. What are your pet peeves?
My pet peeves are, if we were to put it to a person, a person.
Hey, but kuna usnai up?
How can I put
Hey,
it?
but... Oh, Snai, to give us relationship pet peeves. That's what he
pet
wants.
Peeves. But when I saw it general, I'm not calling up. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, come Google it. I'm relationship pet peeves.
Okay, in the meantime.
She'll speak the general one and I'll speak the relationship one after her.
So I should say the general one, not
Yes, the general.
But
one
mine,
first.
okay. It irritates me when someone just. I have no idea.
Sorry.
Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Anyway.
Hi, man, mabuyi bani.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, okay, fine, cool.
Okay. I get annoyed. Okay, I think it's because I'm a chick. I don't know if people can relate to this, but it annoys me. If you tell me to get ready, in time, because we have to go somewhere, and I take my time, and you get irritated, I get annoyed. And then when I'm ready and you still need to get ready, or you're not ready, or whatever, that annoys me. I know I'm complicated, but that's one of the things that irritate me. And then what else? It annoys me to hear someone shouting at me or reprimanding me, like, stop already. I heard what you said, And I don't have a lot, man. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, it's just, I'm a people's person, so I don't know. But just don't step on my toes. Because if you do, you annoy me. That's it.
Yeah. This is what she said on the audition on Big Brother, actually. Exactly what she said. People don't step on my toes. That's what she said.
And I can't even pretend. You'll know that I'm irritated or annoyed.
Okay, I've seen my examples and I've seen what I relate to. Because I was like, I didn't know if I was going to say the right thing. But I know I was going to say the right thing after I saw the examples. So my pet peeve in relationships is... This is difficult.
Oh, also, people that have a certain odor. Like, you can smell good, but if your mouth... it irritates me, and I can't keep quiet. And sometimes me having to say it irritates me, because now I have to sound or seem rude. You know?
How do you even say it?
But then it irritates me because I can't stand you. Yeah, well, because you even with me, even with myself, if I wake up in the morning, I have to make sure, because that's just, I don't know what you call such a person, but I feel like I'm weird in a way because of that. But yeah.
Odor is a thing, hey, because I love smell, shame. I love smelling, and I love smelling good. For me, maybe it's like the beard. For me, it's like if you have a beard and it smells bad. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, that's also a thing, hey?
I hardly smell them here.
The beard. There's this other beard that I smelled, and it was not nice. Ibinganuki bad, man, but ibinganuka mnandi. It smells like a coconut, but a coconut endala.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand. And yes,
Some sort of...
yes. So, yeah. So, yeah. I guess bazocinga ndithetha ngomntu abamaziyo because beard, guys. Ayingomntu enimaziyo. Yo, Jesus. Okay, but yeah, guys, beard is well. No, man, khange ndiyinukise mntasi bendimhaga.
Okay,
yathi khapha man. Zindevmos ezinuka.
Oh, Jesus.
Perfume imnandi, yonuka mandi perfume, but mlomo unuka good. Nansi into lapha, nayo oil efakileyo inuka perfume. I don't know.
Okay.
But yeah, Snai asked me a question. My favorite scent is Giorgio Armani. See, like when everyone asks me, what scent do you use? Yeah, Giorgio Armani. Hi, shame. Georgia Money and white tea, the best for me. I actually have 3. I won't tell you the third one. It's my other secret. But I don't have any secrets actually with smell. Like you can go buy those perfumes and the ends understand? Yeah, but okay, in relationships, going back to relationships, I think my pet peeve is being friends with your ex. See that one? It drives me crazy. Shame.
Yeah,
and
that's
I will
a
never
no-go
understand
area.
it. I'm sorry.
That's a no-go area.
No, like literally, like I don't want to say my talking stages or whatever, but whatever it is, most of them talk to their exes or like have relationships with. And for me, Ashem, I'm sorry, I can't. You? When I can you? For me, it's a
I
pet
told you it's a
peeve.
no-go area. Nah. God, I'm sorry.
For me, it's a
Cut
pet
it.
peeve.
You either
Like,
cut her or you cut me. Period.
bye, boys. Boy,
Can't
good.
have two of us that looks that way.
Yeah, no. Why would you? Okay. For me, it's like, okay, Mtasa, you can talk to it. I don't know, man. I just don't get it. For me,
Who asked for the candle things when now Sati baby? No.
usinayo makasibasa actually sinayikha na usixole ngeDubai baye binjani uphi khona apho ubukele ngifuna asixole eDubai angabaleki sinaye sixole eDubai. I don't know not everything. Everything we'll talk on call. But I want to know how was the experience.
Hey, wena uhamba unukisa iintshebe zabantu. Oh, I'm so dead. Ah.
Asikhona into erongo apha zinuka i-coconut endala.
Nigga coconut.
Yeah, bruh. But anyways,
So
Naya,
dead, bruh.
man. How are you? How was your birthday? How was I actually thought I was gonna spend I couldn't come to your dinner because I was at the
I was
honor.
told, Shame. I was told.
Yes.
When I know your land.
So now I thought there was gonna be another party, like another actual birthday. Wasn't I said to buy guys? If your birthday,
Man,
birthday.
mad, bro.
Yeah.
Yo. Ima, awukho seqonce ngibone uposte useqonce.
Yeah, but I'm back, Shame. I just came back.
Oh, okay. I
Back
saw.
recently.
What is that for? Was that a women's empowerment thing? Yeah.
Yes, it was. It was a women empowerment. It was on the Women's Day thingy.
Ah, dope.
So
Yeah,
I was
do you more lap?
Nah?
So good to be home, bro. Yo,
Yeah, it is.
so
It is.
nice.
But I got sick
Yeah.
when I got home. And a fever. I don't know if it's change of weather or what.
I think it's true.
But I immediately got sick. So make sure that you drink medicine and vitamin C
Yeah, nah.
immediately. But when I'm moving from country to country, so it's fine. You know what?
I only went to one country, bro.
But yeah, I wanted to ask you, how was that? Like,
Dude, it was amazing. 10 out of 10 experience, hey?
nah?
Yo, it was nice.
Is it true?
Right.
Is it true that
Yeah, makandi
Banolwandle-
nobusi hi busi unjani?
Hi, Sinai, and right in January now.
I'm good. Sorry,
Yeah.
man. Sikwata up on Liam.
And then
Asifai.
brother say
How
to
rude.
brother and
How
sister
rude.
kaloku
No one can enter.
Sorry. Hey, Nyani, get hard, Brian. Hard.
yeah. Benza buza mnulwandle nyani, is it man-made?
Yeah, dude, the canals there, like they man-made. I think they said it took like 20 years to build land now. Isn't that crazy, bro?
So what do they do? Did they put I don't understand how you would make a beach. Oh wow,
Yes. It's not
that's
Ulwandle.
crazy.
It's
That's no
not
cities like
Ulwandle.
that.
And I just know the canals there. Yeah, boy. So where you take it boat cruising and doing.
Oh, it's not a beach. It's like a big pool.
I mean, I guess it is a beach, bro. Like, hey, Liam, I don't know what they
It
did to
looks
that
like a
place.
beach.
Yeah,
Does it
it
have
is.
waves?
It does, bro. But then I don't know if Ziapuma natural or what. You never know then now. It's just so advanced, like technologically, So you
Sun
never
City.
know, bruh.
Like Sun City.
Sun City as a beach.
Isn't it
Yeah, but
man-made?
beach must.
Isn't
Yeah,
it
they've got a
man-made?
they've got a
So the
man-made
beach I
beach.
saw was man-made, Sun City.
So
Yeah.
Sun City.
I did.
It is Galoku.
That is crazy.
Mad, yeah. Dubai Black Magic. Someone say
There's
Dubai
What's
Black
Dubai
Magic.
Black Magic? But still, Sun City, Sun City Black Do.
They know.
I
There's a
wonder.
term
That was
about
mad.
something.
Otherwise, how have you been, dog? What you been up to lately?
I've been good. I've been up to going. Okay, so there's this. I don't want to talk about it on
Okay.
live, but
Cool,
yeah.
cool.
So yeah, there's this project, blah blah blah.
Mm-hmm.
So been checking on that and stuff. So it's going good.
Yeah.
And regarding with my music, that's like the one thing that's like,
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on because the EP is done. You know, the music is done. We just need a
How are
release
you
date and
dropping
people
it?
to. I don't know.
Okay. But it's
I
cool.
don't
It's cool. We'll chat about it off.
know.
But I can see you good, man. Ni opinion nangu.
Sikwam kaloku.
Yeah.
When are you visiting me?
Yeah, and yeah, Ninda, Yakuba EP. I see so
I
annoying.
actually also don't know where you
Because
live.
I remember the last place that I saw. Remember when we went
Yeah,
out
the
for
place.
dinner? Yeah, that Gqeberha Sahlapha.
No, I don't live there anymore.
I saw what the lilies did for you, my boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out to
When
the
I'm
lilies. Like
Shout out to the lilies.
Yeah, man, they did the
Okay.
things,
Yeah.
bro. Damn, that's
Yeah.
mad, fam.
Yeah.
But these I'm coming back soon, so
Mm.
yeah, drop a location when I am. What are you doing this
Okay.
weekend actually?
This weekend, what am I doing this weekend? Oh, I'm going to Lesotho this
Oh,
weekend.
is that trip oh yeah, Kunuma Cake,
No,
eh?
my KK. I actually haven't talked to my KKs because we
Is it snowing there apparently, yeah?
No, it's
They-
not. Someone told me that
Your
just came
poster
back
said
from there that it's not
snowcation though.
snowing.
Your poster
I,
said snowcation.
I don't know. People are saying the snow is already gone.
Ah,
So
that's
I hope
crazy,
not.
bro. Yeah.
I just hope not.
Yeah. I do the entertain I'm lie, man. These Gqeberha knows Gqeberha and we're me kanjani.
Okay, I must go like a good.
Yeah,
Because
ndifuna ukubuyela kuwezabo
Mibus.
benzahleka kamandla ndisebenzisa uGoogle for everything. Yo, you're killing me. Nentshebe ezinika coconut.
Okay, let's go back. Actually,
Alright,
nice to
deuces,
see
my
you.
boy.
We'll talk
Bye,
soon.
Busi.
Bye.
So,
Dude, khawuphume ukwakho sinaye ndingathini
ndifuna
live.
ukubuza loo nto umuntu uphuma njani apha. Hey,
Yeah, ifoni
yeba
mina
zawuphuma
ndiyazela.
ndiphinde ndingene yim.
Oh, okay. All right. Where are we? Ndithathela mna zam pet peeves.
Now,
Hey.
you were the last one.
Yeah, so it's your turn.
I'm done. No, except like I was the first one. So we're done with the question because we've been
Oh, okay.
on the question for too long.
Yeah, we have Shane. We have must move.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Uphi into lento DM. Sizawuthetha kakuhle pha. Yo, cause wow. Yo. Man. Andifuna ugoya kakhulu, but it's fine.
What are you? Jesus.
I think it's the only thing that's gonna make me happy, guys. At this point, I'm sitting go. I'm the wrong 10. The wrong 10. Go. I'm wrong 10.
Don't touch. Oh man, that's Mashima. This is a very beautiful question. What are you grateful for today? Oh.
Namadalo. Oh, what am I grateful for today? That I was able to wake up. And I was no. I'm grateful that I was able to wake up because so many people, unfortunately they don't. So glad for the breath that I breathe. And also, the fact that I linked up with her. So yeah. That's what I'm grateful for. Even though I'm waking up in the morning for work.
Please tell her how we linked up. Mbalisele. Uvuswe njani? Mbalisele, babalisele.
Yours truly. My aunt and her
Chris
mom.
Jenner. Mbalisele.
But guys, I adore a mom who's always like waking up just to check on her child if they're good or not. I adore such. I really do. But yeah, some little bit of space, yeah.
Some little
Yeah.
bit. You understand?
Yeah.
But yeah, she got woken up by Chris Jenner to come check up on me.
Yeah. And I
in the
had
morning.
to leave everything
She had to
and
leave
come.
everything and come to me.
Yeah.
That's how crazy life is.
Look at logo now. Answer.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, what am I grateful for today? I'm grateful for... What am I grateful for today? Eh? Ngoku yo kancane ngandixelela indaba endingazaziyo mna. Andingendawo. One thing about me, andingendawo, shame. I mean, I just mind my own. What are you grateful for today? I think I'm grateful for the fact that I what?
That you got. Were you not excited about? I don't know. What are you grateful?
Wait, let me think. I haven't journaled. I'm grateful for the fact that I drank water
Okay.
4 times today.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm grateful for that. I usually drink water 2 times or once or even forget.
Okay. At least.
I'm grateful that I remembered to drink water. Yeah, just because I remembered to nourish my body, which means self-love.
Very important.
Fear. Okay. How? Who is your celebrity crush? Mabuy.
My celebrity. My celebrity crush.
Okay. Balautin go.
But
Sana. Uthini?
okay, I'll quickly do this.
Why didn't I see that? I always look at my emails. Guys, you guys tell me things that I don't know and I always get shocked and I'm like, but I read my emails and I reply. So what's going on? But anyways, who is your celebrity crush? I do not have a celebrity crush in South Africa nor in America. I don't know why. My last celebrity crush was Ukida the Great when I was a teenager. I remember if I'm gonna get famous, I will. When I get famous, right, in life, it'll be just like a Billie Eilish and Justin Bieber story. Because they all be like, oh, Billie Eilish is go famous. The time with Justin Bieber, Billie messages got Instagram. And then Billie Eilish finally got famous and then she met Justin Bieber. So I feel like that's what's going to happen with me as well. Because I wrote Killer Great messages when I was young. I literally still have a picture of him on my wallet. Killer the Great, guys. You know this child. This one that used to dance. Yo, I had a crush on that boy. I don't know why. I think it was because of how...
The moves.
No. Okay, the dancing as well, ne? But also the way he was so passionate about his skills and talent, and he was just chasing his dream young. And I was sitting in my room and trying to make a musical dad, and to TikTok, musical TikTok dad. You understand? Just doing covers, Zama, so that will forever be my crush because he inspired me about a lot of things. Kid of the Great. So when I get famous, he's gonna see my messages and we're gonna fall in love and get married. Actually, he's ugly now, so maybe not.
Love is within.
Maybe not. No man, I feel like he's young now. Like I need a man, not like umtana. I feel like umtana. Loa nandibona ngoku and crush kuye. I feel like he's still like, trying to figure out. So nah.
Hi guys, night will forever be Chris Brown. I ain't going. Well, if I'm looking, if I'm looking at the what you call this, the bad boy, sexy type of thing, Chris Brown. If I want
Usathi bad boy.
yeah, man, yeah, you can say that. But if I'm looking for someone like I don't know, like whatever, I've got two celebrity crushes now. It's Chris Brown and J Cole. Oh, I love J Cole. I just love him.
Oh, I also
I
love J.
love
Cole.
him. So
I also love J. Cole, actually. I did say, like, when Mono J. Cole, I see the male version of myself. I feel like if I was a guy, I would be like J. Cole. I would have dreadlocks. I would wear simple. I would be
filthy.
humble and filthy rich. Like, I feel like, yeah. Anyways, I don't have a crush, Shane. And now, yeah, could a great Zana crush. A celeb.
Yeah.
That's called up on J. Cole is married. What?
Yes, and Yeah.
I didn't know. Oh no, guys! I just remembered who my crush is. Man, I forgot. Oh my god! I just made myself sound better. There's crush on man. I forgot his name, but he's an American actor. Shit, I need to remember his name. Please, Lord, please.
Like American.
Yes, it's. He was my wallpaper for 2 years. Every time I watch that man in a movie, I fall in love. I forgot his name. He's not the ideal person. He's not like handsome and stuff. You know, me, I don't have a type. You know me, ne?
I know very well. I know very well.
So he's not that cute, but he's my crush. I'll think of the name if the name gets into my head. I'll think of it because I just thought of him now. I'm like, hi man, do I'm Muslim. It's the one. Dark, tall, handsome with Indiv. I'm sure that no, it's not Aegis. Aegis is old.
Okay,
It's oh my god.
It's called like and handsome level.
Okay, not handsome gay. No, puff handsome to me. Handsome to me. Maybe not to other people. Handsome to me. Tall, dark. I'm describing him, ne? He's tall, he's slender, he's dark. He has, guys, I have a thing for people that have smiley eyes. Oh my god, like dreamy, like ocean eyes. Eh?
I wouldn't know.
Lakeith! It's Lakeith! It's Lakeith Stanford, guys. Someone said it in the comment. It's Lakeith. That's my man.
Okay.
That is my man. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I was like, my crush is Lakeith. Lakeith Stanfield. What? Lakeith Stanfield. He was my wallpaper for 2 years. Okay, I'm manifesting a man like him. Otherwise, yeah.
Oh yeah, you do love it. I didn't even know.
Yeah,
I know his face.
You know his face. I love him so much. She knows.
I know, yeah.
I love that guy.
Literally her crush.
That's my crush. That's my celebrity crush. But he's married now. But anyways, it's not like best of Tivana and stuff. It's not like I was gonna see him and stuff. But
No.
okay. Yeah, but like Keith is my husband.
Man, busy studies. Yo.
Here?
18. You see.
Who was that guy on your story who was fat?
Who was farting? I wouldn't know. I was I just killed me. I don't know.
They post like a look way.
Oh, to go.
Post every single thing.
I make sure, guys. But I don't know, Shem. I don't know. I don't know who that person
Like Keith looks like who? Why do we like the fun? No, but okay, actually, not too shabby. Because also McJunior has like smiley eyes, right? Like smiley eyes. My eyes that make you feel warm. I like that. I like smiley eyes. Papa, now what? Smiley eyes, leg. Asikholapho.
Collab. As a collab. Okay, another question.
But those eyes make you feel warm. Sana, I don't know if I should choose. But choose, eh? I don't know what to choose.
Yes, you're going fast as well.
Ne? Oh,
What is this one?
I should have chose the other one. I wanted to choose the other one.
Okay, you mentioned that.
Hmm?
Music video.
Oh, what? I'm being
Okay.
distracted by his
You
comment.
mentioned something about a music video. Is it Impumelelo or Let Me Be? The music video that you're gonna do. Is it?
Oh, it's Let Me
Impumelelo?
Be. It's Let Me Be, honey. It's Let Me Be.
See another one.
Ooh, sana, usayo hate. Awufuna ntoni kwi-comment section yam. Ngicela uhambe ngiphume futhi. You're not welcome. Anyways. Iphi nala question ngokuba baba wami ndiyibone.
There's too many.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know which one to choose.
Just choose a random one. That's it. That's it, and then we'll just figure it out. How are you finding Joburg?
Why am I getting dizzy? It's this thing.
I have no idea.
Okay.
Excuse me.
How am I finding Joburg? First of all, how are you finding Joburg?
Okay, to where I live, I'm finding it safe. I'm finding it nice, okay, because everything is literally here. So, and also, I don't know. I just find it nice, but also scared when I leave my area and go to other. I'm scared, super scared. Maybe it's the thing that when you're from another province and you're taught about another province according to how they experienced it. So now you're gonna go in there with the fear, but then when you get to know the place, you're like, it's not that bad, but in some places it is. So yeah, I know.
I'm still getting a hang of. I was actually telling Abo, Brian, and Vicky how I'm experiencing Joburg. Nakuzili, Hazily. I was just telling people that when you are lying, you have a girlfriend, but you wanna quote me. How is that? Why?
Zilly must answer.
Why are you doing that, Ziggy? Answer. Anyways, we're not there. I was just telling them that, like, in East London, it's such a different experience for me because I've made my life there. I made a life in East London. Like, my friends are there.
So it's your
My work was there. If I'm going through the most, I'd go to Uzili. Uzili. I should add Zili so that he explains himself actually, because anyways, I'm still saying, guys, yeah. Yeah, so I made a life in East London. My work was there, family, everything. And when I would go through the most, I'd go to the beach. And I always said, like, I don't know if I could live in a city without a beach, because if I'm going through the most, I'm overthinking anything. Even if it's at night, I'd literally walk to the beach or go to the beach or Uber to the beach. So now in Joburg, I haven't found my restaurant, my favorite restaurant, my place. I haven't found my people yet, I haven't really made it home yet. So I feel like I'm still settling, I feel like I'm still getting the hang of it. I don't know who are the right people to hang out with. There's a lot of things that are said about people. There's a lot of warnings. You're like, okay, I want to hang out with this person. And then someone else warns you about that person. You're like, it's just a simple hangout. Like literally, it's not like they're gonna poison me with a cup of coffee and literally going, for coffee. But yeah, it's Joburg. You never know. So I'm scared. I'm just settling. There's a lot. There's a lot, guys. I don't know. To the people who are saying I should clean my account, do you want me to end the live and clean my account now, or should? Because I'm hearing you. I can hear you. I can see your messages, and thank you. I don't know what you're saying by clean my account, but if you have anything to say, please say it on my messages so that I read it promptly. So that I read it promptly, yes, and then I do what you say. I understand. So yeah, please, guys, go to my messages, write what you're saying. Please don't bomb the thing because you're gonna make the live in a vibe. You understand, Ane? So if you guys want me to just end this live and do what you say, I'll do that. But I don't want to end the live now. As the song says, let me be. I just saw someone said that. Let her be, but then it reminds me of like your song, Let Me Be. Yeah. Yeah, but anyway. So yeah, guys, just write it on my messages. I'll follow the instructions and it's gonna be fun. Let's just have fun now, okay? Yeah. Anyways, it's not my part. Yeah. Bua fela. Bari bua. Fifteen, that's kind of into. I don't know. Na, talent, Akitsibi. Akikhoni khubua. Akikhoni khubua. Yeah. I don't know what Akitsibi. I'm still trying. Yeah? Is she making me say something right? Emma, is it right? This thing of speaking English. Yeah. Hey, I don't know how to bua. Bariteng, bakhola. Ga ke a tseba. Ga ke tsebe. Ga ke tsebe. Ga ke tsebe. Hayi, but why ibhalwe ela hlobo la ga tsebe? Iwabo. Oh, gawabo, it's GA. It's GA. Yeah, as it's RHA. Oh, okay. Ga ke tsebe. Oh, ga ke tsebe. Ga ke tsebe. I don't know. Ga or ga. Okay, let me add Zilly if he's still here. Funa as explain a shame gig. Cause yena. Because I think I'll be around. Oh yeah. But let me just say 1:30 and then I bounce. I have to wake up, guys, 4 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. Why is this phone not I coffee? That's it. I coffee. Your hand isn't it oily? Ayo, just the dots, just the 3 dots. Ayo, my niggas. Okay, Zilly is not here. Zilly, are you here? If you're here, please request. Okay, let me see the text. Oh, Zilly is not here. Okay, anyways, guys. I almost missed it because she's waking up in the morning. I'm also waking up. I thought this live was going to be 30 minutes, actually. But it's so nice. So, yeah. It's so nice, yeah. It's actually very nice. We are enjoying it. Okay. Other questions? What's the chance Zulu? If you have experience, please advise. Mnake on my end, if we're talking about me as a Xhosa chick, Danitana Xhosa guys, I really do. I respect you guys, but Kisha, I'm good. Same as Zulu. Why? You guys are sweet, cute, everything, but I'm good. For now, we'll see each other maybe after 3 years. Yeah. On your side. Huh? Hi, 3 years. Yo, kaka. Friend,
Look, if you have experience, advice, I think. I can't say my experience is bad. After 3 years, we're not at it.
Why? To the experience. No. Mm-mm. Okay.
It dribbles. If you're going to dribble,
I still not to believe
And-
on
what? What? Are you sure you're saying that? Yeah. But it's on the say.
benza sheke ba mhlawumbe uthi bilishwe lindiya umlungu like umuntu ongam-expectanga senje uba umxhosa you expect uba mawutribhilishwe ngumxhosa so you
I
can't
can't expect
be really
it,
heartbroken.
You know when you're digging, Jonga, if you're digging, I was digging. I had to dig. I had to find that one, man, from the villages and those deep ones. Those deep where you can see Njebana from the treatment, when he's nailing everything up until he met the wrong crowd. And now again, we are seen as whatever. Oh.
Yes,
So, yeah.
Hey. Hi, shame. Okay. Well, I'm not disputing the fact that Osnaye, if he's watching, Snaye, like they can dribble. We're not disputing that fact. It's true. But
We're not saying all, ne?
and also we're not saying all.
No. Just
No,
those
no.
typical ones. Those typical ones.
Okay, for me,
Thank you.
hi and yes, guys, who are and choose betuna. The Baluguti Zulu man is my heel. But yo, like, since what if came?
And for long again. I'm not that. You say it.
Guys, no, I actually don't have an answer. I'm good. I'm not gonna choose anything. A man is man. Don't too hard to handle.
When are you going to? Is it a show? I think it's a show. Isn't it? I'm not sure.
Too hard to handle.
I don't know if it's a show. Is it a show, guys?
Why didn't I Live Island? I'm going to Live Island, guys, whether you like it or not. I am there.
Once.
I am there.
To find that heel. I mean, someone wrote Becky. I don't know.
She likes lying about people.
No.
She said something and she said someone wrote it here.
Really, like if you go back, but some so I can't find it. But anyway. Yeah.
Please. I don't know Too Hot to Handle. I've never watched it.
To be single.
Too Hot to be Single. I would go there. Also, Love Island. Love Island. One, but guys, let me tell you a story. Love Island wrote me an email. Right, the first Love Island in South Africa, the one I know Libo, when Libo won or whatever, that guy from Eastern Cape. Yes, they told me to apply. I don't know what they saw. Told me to apply, and then I applied, and they found out I was really young. So I was supposed to be there. I'm in the right age now because I went to Big Brother. I shouldn't go to Love Island. Why? I also want to find love. Yeah. I'm joking, guys. Yo, it's like ngaphi into ye-love eTV again.
Yeah, but I looked up and said, but I know.
Where am I wrong? Where am I wrong? Who Akrimo? But wrong Akrimo. Who?
Homestead.
Don't. Oh Jesus.
Guys.
You am that I can't choose eh? Oh. Tonight nesiluma
now.
don't yami. Dinesiluma.
What is I am?
Yo, bantu uthi liyema phansi ungibiza nangasenini. Okay, well, I don't see. Guys, please ask questions. Okay, should we read the comments?
Yeah, let's just read up and over because it's taking time.
Ne? Hey, try. Yes, Liema, go find your Josh. Lord, Liema, you need a rich guy. Don't compromise.
Mm-mm-mm.
I second that. I learned that's a for the hat.
Don't be like actually be like me. Because the more run 10 goes, we're all wrong. Agreement. Yeah.
Yeah. Yabona ungibuza ngejim yena noba kayi nasejimini.
Ndicela ungayiphenduli khona
Into?
question there that says, Lucy, what's your type?
What's your type, Vele?
Guys, I honestly don't have a type. Just be a jokester, ne? Don't joke a lot.
You know jokesters, Brad. You know how
Don't joke a
how
lot.
they can break your heart.
No, that's
Yeah.
But the thing is, I need chemistry. I need to be glued to you.
Okay, she's funny, so obviously she would. You know what I think does? I don't think you need a funny guy because you're really funny.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't think you need. I think you
An opposite of me.
yeah, someone who would laugh at your jokes.
Okay,
Or make you understand, like,
Wait.
because hey, funny guys, my guy.
Not to say, ne, be funny. Me being fun, I need to laugh at you. I need to laugh at something that you do, yeah, bro. And then also, I don't know, I'm just a sucker for yellow bones, guys. I don't know why. But I like brown bones too. And if you're too dark, be Tino. What's that guy's full name? Tino, whatever. Be him. And then
You like a hot to
too hot. Yeah, but if you
something the hot, something the hotty.
I don't know. I just love cute people. And if you're just handsome, be attractive. Have something that's attractive. I can't say because I don't really have a type. Yeah.
Pity jokes. 10 over 12, 10 pity jokes. What's pity joke? Okay. Anyways,
Okay.
so that's your type.
And also, like, let me be the center of your heart. Like, I love attention, guys. I love
my
heart. Yo, I love attention, guys. Yeah. And just energy, reciprocation. If I'm good to you, be good back. If you're not,
They ask you if you like girls or not.
No. No.
And when Liema, what's your type? My type. What is my type? I don't know. Does he know me better?
You don't have a type. She likes what she likes.
Yeah.
But it's your question, not mine. So you answer.
Okay, so light-skinned guys. Who have you seen me with the line? Nah, I don't like. Do I like light-skinned guys? I feel like that's the number one. She's the sucker for light-skinned guys. I'm not really.
But you need to have energy. Don't be light-skinned and too girly or like. Nah.
Yeah, I'm not.
Be real. Be a dude. Be a guy.
I'm not saying I would never date a light-skinned guy. It's just it's not my first preference.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god, because he's light skinned, that's what I'm gonna go for. You know? Nah. So I don't really have a type. It can be any color, actually. But it's really, I don't know, man. If we connect, guys, for me, honestly, and also if you're funny, I love laughing. I'm not really funny. I am the opposite. I love laughing. So that's why I love having her around and like people that are funny because I love laughing. So I need someone who's going to make me laugh. I'm the opposite of her. Yeah. When you need me in your life as a man, you know, basically. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, Prof Nyan. But yo, what is okay. Let me cut it there because there's also Abazali there, and I want to be, you know, that cousin, that sister who is. Let me just cut it there. Whatever I was gonna say.
So yeah, guys. Yeah. But no funny ngokwa guys sana. But you know what, ne? As much as I'm saying I like funny guys, I, but
There. I see. But yeah.
let me shut up. Let me shut up. Let me shut up. No ways. Is there another question or should we go? Pity jokes are terrible, guys. Guys, I'm actually seeing a lot of people thinking that Jolan and Pity. I'm not joining with Pity jokes. But when we see each other, we always make content. And he is funny, yes. He is dark, tall, whatever. That must Pity jokes. Why is Pity jokes a no for me, Con?
Why is he?
I crouch away in the head.
I don't know. You know. Hey, Bo. How will I know?
But you know me
I don't
better.
He's not your type. Or he is your type, but you just don't know yet. Or I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Or you just enjoy being close to him as a friend. I don't know.
We're not even that close, actually.
Then I don't know.
We're not even that close. But
oh, my star sign, I'm a Pisces, guys. I think that's why I'm so shy.
Rihanna was shy. Rihanna shy.
I would go Rihanna and then
I born I'm Caesar. I'm not Scorpio. I'm Caesar. She's Rihanna. I'm Caesar. Okay. So yeah, I don't know. Actually, let me.
I'm shy,
quiet
guys,
now.
but I talk. I don't know. It depends, man. With me, it depends on my mood. I think. Yeah, but majority of the time, I'm shy.
Yeah. I think this deserves your answer.
Ah, ooh, not.
Stand up.
Guys.
We are also tired of
cry,
questions.
cry, and then move on. That's all I can say. Cry, then move on. That's what I can say, guys.
Hey, bro.
Hey, but yeah, cry enough, and then just move on.
Yeah, Tunyan Kasmin get relationship questions, son. Says Tigwe, not Manjong. Benin Goko. Precious. We need our own show on TV. Keep up with Liema.
That's a good idea, though. Isn't it? What do you guys think? Should be in the list.
You know what, man? As much as there is a potential for that to happen, like meetings or whatever, it's also very scary to like let people in your house and they see
everything.
Like the thing about reality shows is that nothing is closed. Not you involve everything. How you wake up in the morning, everything. So you just know the cameraman is gonna be here at 5 o'clock, and you gonna continue sleeping until you wake up at whatever time, and they'll be here to record you. So, and you will ask, like, because I asked, is it possible for me or people not to get into my house and like shoot? And they said, well, if you limit, if you limit things, then it's not going to be that entertaining. So you have to be vulnerable and show everything. So that's the thing, ne?
So it's a huge.
It's like, okay, well,
decision.
But I guess it's like it's worth it. You know, it's worth it. It is. I might just consider. Mm.
Okay.
No, the reality TV is worth it again. I would do it again and again and again, child. Because in life, everything's reality. I didn't eat that, but yeah, you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying.
And then,
What do you do for a living? I'm breathing.
I'm breathing. I know.
I'm breathing. Bunny isidukho sakho, isiduko sam, ngumsukwini. Mum's Queenie. You see, there's no questions. There's just
something else.
warnings and stuff. Well, this person is saying it's not though. I mean, Protea Love is saying a reality show is not really reality. Even Insta isn't reality. It's just a moment in time and not always reflect the true you. I mean, I feel like there's a difference between a reality show and Instagram. Because Instagram is social media. Like you can, guys, there's AI, there's a lot of things. You understand? People can change their voices as well. So obviously, social media is not reality. And people can post. I can post right now with Musi smiling like this, and we're fighting.
Exactly.
You understand? So social media, but reality show is. You can see that before we took that picture, we were fighting, or after we took that picture, we fought.
Do you have an English name? No, you don't.
Who?
Someone asked if you have an English name.
Me? Do you have an English name?
I don't have. You obviously don't have. You don't have.
I have. Paradise, no.
Oh, paradise.
Paradise, no, Hamon. Oh, was a matamambo.
The stage is yours.
Reality shows are scripted nowadays. Reality shows are scripted nowadays. Hey, angazi phela. I don't know.
No, isn't that like a statement to say that now you don't necessarily have to show your true self? You can just, I don't know.
But even if it's
Script.
scripted, guys, like you can see that's I don't know, an emotion or whatever. Guys, but to me, nah, shame, I would do it. I don't know why you guys are discouraging this, but as for me, I would do it. For me, Protea Love, I will do it. Okay. Hey, why people are discouraging me, Sana? Are you guys jealous or what? Reality TV show will be a downfall. Okay, you know what, ne? What is that called? Reverse psychology. I will not do it. Neither. I will never do a reality show, guys. In fact, let's cut it. I will never. I'm done. I'm done with Big Brother.
Yeah.
I'll never consider a reality show. Never. Never. You guys are so right. You are so right. You are so right. Never. Who, me? Never. Anyways, yeah. Busi, they want your IG handle.
Yeah, it's Busi _ Mkaka. It's, I don't know if I should spell it, but it's Busi with an SIE and then _ Mkaka, MCAKA. What else?
Hi, Mina, guys. You guys are right. Mina, reality show, I never, son. Never. I'm I'm good. Yeah, I think it's time for you to leave.
Because I'm waking up, hey? Love you guys. You see, I don't even want to go, but then I'm it's a distance going back to yeah. So yeah. Guys, please don't mind me when I crack like a laughter there and there. I like to laugh, even if it's not funny. But that's just how I am.
What? Where? On your stories?
Like I laugh, as in now I just like crack.
Oh yeah,
Insanely.
just like me.
I just like laughing. I don't know. It's my whatever mechanism, but I just laugh. Whether
Are we the same when it comes to that?
I don't know. I don't.
Wait, do you
I
laugh?
always consider myself weird when I do that.
Imagine you laugh when someone is like, "Oh yeah, go."
When someone is pissing me off, I laugh.
Okay.
When I'm going through the most, I laugh. When
Okay.
I'm happy, I
Okay, you're just like me. But like when someone is like saying like a serious thing and
I laugh and then I get emotional after that.
no,
But it depends. If you maybe you were like kind of bullying type of thing, or maybe making me feel like, you know.
no, I'm saying like if I come to you and I say, yo, you see?
I laugh. I will laugh. What do you mean? And
I
then
also first laugh. Like I will also first laugh. Like anything, whether it's tragedy, whether someone died, literally, guys, I'll first laugh. Well, when they told me that, Mama Lit, they told me in the diary room, I couldn't.
You were laughing.
I couldn't believe it. I was like, at first was like, hey,
Yeah.
and like the people thought I was psycho, and I cried after 5 minutes after doing like hey, but like you know, and I cried. That's just me.
That's just I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know what happens. The first reaction is crying. You're laughing and then cry, or have the real reaction after. But the first one is cry, is laughing.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay, guys, I think it's time. The time is up for me. I have to wake up. Damn.
Yeah, but it's not. I don't think it's a habit, Mdasa. I think it's a defensive mechanism.
It is. That's what I was saying.
It's not. It's not a habit.
It's
It's like something that you grew up with because of how you grew up with your trauma or whatever.
but also for me, it blocks whatever.
Yeah, it blocks. Like it can.
If I wanna do something rational out of anger, I will laugh. It'll make me kind of consider instead of like, hey man, I wanna do something. You know? You know? So I would just laugh. But sometimes, when someone pushes you to to that limit, I don't know.
I'm going to take a side today.
But I will laugh.
I said, nice me, so baby. Like,
Yeah, guys.
like literally, I didn't fight actually. I had an argument with someone yesterday, right? And then they were like, it was just a misunderstanding, but it was kind of like disrespectful towards me. So the first thing I did was actually laugh instead of saying, no, that is disrespect. I first laughed. So they thought like whatever they were saying, I found it funny. And then I got serious and I said, no, that's disrespectful. That's not funny. That's not it. Don't see me laughing. That's actually not funny. And then they got serious after. So I don't know, guys. Yeah. But anyways, guys, we need to leave, yo. I need to go sleep.
We love you guys.
She needs to go.
We love
She's
you. We
waking
love
up in the morning.
And thanks for having me. This was literally kind of like my first time being
Live.
for the longest. So yeah, guys. Love you, love you, love you loads.
Love you loads. And thank you guys for everything. Thank you for streaming. I cannot wait to go to Botswana. I cannot wait to go to Lesotho first tomorrow. On Saturday. And then Botswana. I still need to make a video for Botswana, a reel. So I'm going to do that tomorrow morning after my interview because I have an interview tomorrow. So yeah, guys, I'm excited. I want to meet everyone from Botswana. It's my first time coming out of the country. Are you also coming?
Guys, I'm ready. Let me know. Let me know. But when is it? Is it on a weekend or what? Because during the week ish, tough.
It's working. It's actually, I think it's a week. It's for a week.
Hey, oh, Jesus, I'll see. I will see.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, guys, we need to leave. Bye. I love you and I see you and I thank you. I haven't been on Twitter and Instagram actually, but I'm gonna check on everyone soon. I just wanted to just, laugh together, have fun, and just chat about stuff that are not serious. Because life is not that serious, hey? It is serious, but sometimes it's just not. So let's Sanukuba serious. Sanukuba serious. Yo. What's in la mfundisi? La mfundisi man lona man utrendayo man. Yamazi man yamazi. Sanuba lona man uthi.
Moto.
Yes.
Moto.
Moto. Moto. And then he goes and says, Sunga be serious. Ngelunga be serious. Unga be serious. I'm telling you. So once I continuation of it. Ngelunga be serious. No, that's not Boro. It's another Fundisi from Durban. I love that video. But you Boro. I guess Boro I thought Boro died. I thought he died because people said he went to heaven and then he came back with the selfie and then after that he died. So I thought he died. I'm shocked about the news that he's still alive. But Kelonga mysterious. Hamban bagit. Hamban Hamban. Tilly. Tomano torotom. Tum. Hamban bagit. Hamban. Unga mysterious. Kelonga mysterious. Yeah. Bye guys. Where he came back with a selfie, guys. I'm still updating with Fifi. Fifi doesn't know this. Umboro went to heaven, okay? And he took a selfie with Jesus. Then he came back and showed his people in church. And then after that, people said, I don't know. I saw it from Twitter, I think 2 years ago, that he died after he lied and said he went to heaven and took a selfie with Jesus. I am surprised this year that he's still alive. That's all I'm gonna say. Because usina ubusikhona umboro zange athathe iselfie noJesus. Yeah. Tilly. Tom. Ay, mandihambe shape. Hambani bakithi. Hambani.